Welcome back, and I have to say, it makes me sad to know that you'll all be leaving very soon. However, we do need to close the course, and I do want to leave you with this final message. Practice does make perfect. I've been teaching for over a decade, and I could tell you the following. For every class that you take, for every bit of information that you absorb, you need to practice for 5 times the number of hours in order to really get this into your system. This is something that I try to live by, although not always successfully, but I would encourage you to literally practice as much as you can. So, check out the following tutorials that I have given you the links to. Hopefully you'll be able to get through them pretty well. Given you have come all this way and completed the course, you should be in a better place to understand how bespoke data visualizations work, and hopefully, just maybe, they will spark off your imagination and you could turn them into something completely new and different. Also, be sure to check out tablowmagic.com as I post up new tutorials on a weekly basis.